Okay, we're gonna start with the review of the Protectx. This is gonna be a plug and play install. This is designed specifically for the 21 and up Sienna. And the great thing about this is the second one I'm installing actually. The first one was on a 2021 hybrid Corolla. The great thing about this is plug and play. It's a 5-minute install, yes. Maybe I'm gonna give it 20 minutes because you're gonna if you need to make some adjustments and check everything, it's gonna take you a while, but it's basically plug and play. This is all you're gonna need. You're gonna need a Phillips headed screwdriver just to remove 3 screws, and I'm also using a flathead screwdriver for adjusting the sensitivity on the unit itself. Okay, so I'm gonna just skip ahead a little bit, and I'm gonna be adding the double-sided tape that it's included on your kit, just to save some time. So, okay, let's get started. So you're gonna be removing the 2 screws. This is the first one. Okay. I just put them on the cup holder so that I don't lose them. And second one, and your third one is going to be down here. It's going to be a little bit tricky, but you can actually do it by feel. There we go. Now this is an important step that you don't want to miss. You need to turn off your car. Why? Because we're going to be unplugging some wire harnesses, and you don't want check engine codes on your car. So basically, here are the wire harness we're going to be removing. The ones on the left, the one is on the right. Now is a good time to bring in the wire harness. And the little box itself. You're not going to be installing it yet. Just gonna put it on the side, and this is your airbag connector. You don't want to mess with this one. The one beside it, you just press the pull tab, and remove. It's a little bit harder, but okay, this one is the one on the left side of the harness, and you're just gonna install it here, and this one goes right back in here. Oops, sorry. So I think I'm gonna be needing to get down and look at here. Okay. see it more clearly. There we go. And this one goes here. And plugs right back in here. There we go. And that's it. Now you're going to be plugging in your little computer thingy. This one goes here and this one goes here. There we go. And we're gonna leave it here, right here, just to test it. But after that, we can install everything back. Let's test it. Okay. So that means that the sensor is going to be start calibrating. You need to wait 9 minutes after locking it and then come back and do some testing. Okay? Okay, so 9 minutes have passed. Now we're going to test how it's working. So light tap. There we go. Okay. It's working great. The window opening and closing is working great. Just you press once and all the windows come down. And that's it. Let's put back up everything. Okay, this is gonna be here. Then the plastic cover is gonna go back. There we go. Clip. There it goes. Now we're gonna go here. Whoops. go. We turn on the car. Goes back in. There we go. And that's it. There we go. All set. Okay, and your kit comes with the sticker. We're gonna install it. It's just a little reminder that we're protected here. So let's go over here. Awesome. And then we have this one. This is actually another sticker that comes with your kit. This I suggest you install it on your own owner's manual. So if for any reason someone needs to get the installation instructions or the usage instructions, they can scan this QR code and go from there. So that's it. Thanks a lot.